What's the population of Chicago?
The population of Chicago was 2.707 million in 2011.
Who's the mayor?
Rahm Emanuel.
How old is he?
Rahm Emanuel is 53 years old.
Who is he married to?
Rahm Emanuel's spouse is Amy Rule since 1994.
Okay, Google. Where am I?
Here is a map of Newport Beach, USA.
How is traffic in San Diego?
Showing traffic for San Diego.
Show me things to do there.
Here are popular attractions in San Diego.
When did the San Diego Zoo open?
San Diego Zoo opened in 1915.
Is it open?
San Diego Zoo is currently closed and will open at 9 a.m.
How far is it?
The drive from your location to San Diego Zoo is 147.9 kilometers.
Call them.
Calling.
Google. Show me a satellite map of world islands in Dubai.
Here is a map of world islands.
Google. Where is the Apple Store located inside Mall of America?
Here is Apple Store Mall of America.
Google. Remind me to call home when I get to SFO. Remind me to call Katie when I get to work. Remind me to water the plants tomorrow morning. When is Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving Day is on Thursday, November 28th, 2013.
I meant the Canadian one.
Thanksgiving is on Monday, October 14th, 2013.
Wake me up at 7.
Setting alarm.
Google. Open Timely. Post on Google Plus that I'm recording a video right now. Tweet that I'm about to board my flight. I need a flight to Boston.
Here is information for flights from Los Angeles to Boston.
What's the code for London Heathrow Airport?
The airport code of London Heathrow Airport is LHR.
Calculator. Show me a graph for sin x. What channel is Undercover Boss on?
Undercover Bosses is on CBS.
How much carb is there in a thin crust pizza?
24 grams of total carbohydrate in one slice.
How much sugar in a cup of blueberries?
15 grams of sugar in 1 cup.
What does the state flower of California look like?
Check out these pictures for California's state flower.
How do you say how much is it in Spanish?
¿Cuánto es?
How about in Japanese?
いくらですか?
Google, show me my pictures from Amsterdam.
Here you go. Some pictures related to Amsterdam.
Show me some photos I took in a pool.
Take a look at these pictures of a pool.
Show me pictures of my cat.
Here are some pictures you might like.
Google, I need a hotel room tonight.
Let's see what's available.
Google, I need a ride.
Let's find your nearest driver.
Google, fly to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Bon voyage.
Google, search Amazon for a wireless charging mat.
Searching Amazon for a wireless charging mat.
Google, search videos of Android KitKat.
Searching for videos of Android KitKat.
Google, where's my car?
Here is its last known whereabouts.
Google, go home.
On my way.
Google, stream The Great Divide.